Would you quit your job for 1 Bitcoin?
1 Bitcoin. I'll quit again and again. With the amount of Bitcoin is what? Huh? I'll go and invest in landed properties and all of that. That's a sure niche right now.
How for my people, you know how this thing they go now. I'm on the streets of Lagos with Crypto TV Plus, and this time around, I'll be asking people if they'll quit their job for 1 Bitcoin.
No.
But why? That means your job they bring past the Bitcoin.
Not like that, but I'm afraid of scam.
Why they fear scam now? 2022 scam no fear happen now.
Who tell you?
You think say Bitcoin are like MMM?
I think so.
Okay, but do you know how much 1 Bitcoin is?
No.
1 Bitcoin is over 60 million naira. So you're saying if they give you 6 million naira cash right now to leave your job, you no go leave?
I go leave her now.
I see you really like what you.
I sure I will not like money.
And this one loud though. No. Let me just be real with you. No, I can't do that.
Do you know how much 1 Bitcoin is?
I don't know, but to me, I feel I can't do that. I can't do that. No, my job.
Okay, let me tell you, 1 Bitcoin is over 60 million naira. So now let me ask you again: would you quit your job for 1 Bitcoin?
As in, come again.
Would you quit your job for 1 Bitcoin?
You said 1 bit.
1 Bitcoin is over 60 million naira. So now,
Let's be frank with ourselves. I never knew 1 Bitcoin is over 60 million. Maybe. Can I get it now? Because I'm ready to quit the job now.
Depending on the amount.
okay, just 1 Bitcoin now. You will not quit your job for 1 Bitcoin.
No.
Why?
Last, the money will finish now.
Wait, do you know how much 1 Bitcoin is?
I don't know.
1 Bitcoin is over 60 million naira. So you're telling me you will not quit your job for over 60 million, right? Like instantly?
No. The money will still finish last now. If I spend it finish, I'll be crying.
But you think your job cannot finish? Or they cannot fire you from your job?
It's up to God.
Bitcoin, why not?
Why not? That was so quick to answer. Like, but why?
That na anything like normally I have to do. You get why not quit my job for Bitcoin? You don't know how much Bitcoin?
How much is Bitcoin? Tell us. We'd like to know.
Current price now is at 9K now also.
So like,
So it's equivalent to like about that's a dollar. A dollar is about 500K now. So let's just say 39K will be about 15 million euro.
okay, now so if you have that money with you now at your disposal, what will you do with it?
I see less now, but we see that kind of money. So I just deal with the money normally. So when I see less, first loss is part that kind of money normally now. So as just it.
Yes, I would.
Why? You don't like your job?
I don't like my job.
Why do you say that? Why don't you like your job?
Because of the stress and the risk attached to the job, so I don't really like it.
So if you have that 1 Bitcoin now, what will be the first thing you do? Like, what would you do with it?
I'll start my own business.
That's all. You don't want to flex, live the big girl life.
No, maybe I'll do that later, but I want to start my own business. I want to become my own boss.
Yes.
Why? You don't like your job or what?
No, maybe I didn't like my job, but let's say Bitcoin they get rich well now.
So like now, if I give you that Bitcoin now, what you go use to do it now? Think I'm well.
I go do that well now. Use and do. Not say it get normal. I go use and establish myself now.
You go flex with the big boys now.
No,
You know, like,
I will flex more, but I will flex. Use some of it to flex. Then the little rest use to establish myself.
If it was last year, I would, but this year I wouldn't.
but why?
Level don't change now. It's passé.
You don't see money pass Bitcoin now.
Don't pass Bitcoin. And right now, the war going on in Russia, Ukraine has actually. So right now, trading right now is just a bad idea.
Do you know how much 1 Bitcoin is?
Yeah, I do.
How much?
Right now, I can't tell, but as at last month, it was about $5,000 for 1 Bitcoin. It went down, really down.
70 years old man.
Let me help you. 1 Bitcoin is over 60 million naira now. So now if you have that 60 million naira, tell me you will not leave your job.
1 Bitcoin, 60 million naira, I would.
Too much.
Why? What change your mind?
Because
You think they're wise?
you just said 1 Bitcoin is 60
16.
16 million naira. I would. Who wouldn't? Actually, I would. But
Okay, so now, when you have that 16 million, naira, what would you do with it?
You are a mumu man.
first of all, I would.
You are a mumu man.
First of all, I'll take care of myself.
Yep.
Why is that? But do you know how much Bitcoin is?
Kind of.
How much you want Bitcoin?
Like 16. What? 16 16 or so.
Actually, 16M or 16,000 naira.
I'm not sure.
Okay, guys, you've heard it from the thoughts of people on the streets of Lagos. Now, let me ask you, would you quit your job for 1 Bitcoin? Let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to follow us all across our social media platform at Crypto TV Plus. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this our YouTube channel. See you next time. Peace.